Infratech installation. Step 1. Identify the 4 pre-drilled holes on the pergola's beam that are used to attach the Infratech brackets. Step 2. Pull the power supply wire from the inside of the pergola's rafter through the pre-drilled hole. Step 3. On a flat surface, place the heater so that the Infratech logo is on the same side as the power supply. Step 4. If the Infratech logo is upside down, lift up the unit and rotate it 180 degrees. Step 5. On the side with the Infratech logo, remove the 2 screws from the end of the housing, then remove the lock. Slide the cover towards the other end, lift and remove the cover, then remove the protective grille. Step 6. Loosen the screw on each bracket without removing it completely. Step 7. With the provided screws, secure the bracket in the pre-drilled holes. Make sure to apply silicone in the holes, thus ensuring the assembly is watertight. Step 8. Repeat the previous step with the second bracket. Step 9. Slide the heater onto the brackets until there is a distance of 7 5/8 of an inch from the end of the heater to the brackets. Step 10. Firmly tighten the screws behind the brackets using a number 11 wrench. Step 11. With the help of your electrician, connect the wires in order to power the heater. Step 12. Reinstall the grille and the cover that were removed in Step 5.